Welcome to How to Play Even Minus Odd. To play, you will need 6 dice, counters such as poker chips, and 2 or more players. Each player in the game will place a set amount of chips into the middle pot. The amount depends on how long of a game you want to play. For this game, each player will place 10 chips into the middle pot. The object of the game is to win the most chips from the middle pot. To win chips, a player will roll all 6 dice on a turn. The even numbers are added up and the odd numbers are added up. Then, subtract the odd number total to the even number total. The result is how many chips the player will take from the middle pot. Wade will start this game by rolling all 6 dice. Wade's even dice total 12 and Wade's odd dice total 9. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Wade will take 3 chips from the middle pot. Play moves to Diana to take her turn. Diana rolls a total of 12 in evens and a total of 2 in odds. Diana will take 10 chips from the pot. Players will continue to take turns. If a player has a higher amount of odds than evens, the player must put chips back into the middle. If a player cannot pay the full amount, they will just pay what they can. Players are still in the game when they don't have any chips. The game ends when all the chips from the middle are taken. Here, Wade rolls 16 in evens and 6 in odds and takes 10 from the middle. There are only 6 chips left in the middle. Wade will take all the chips to end this game. The player with the most chips when the game ends is the winner. Wade wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play even minus odd and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.